This is the Ubano 3.5 bar espresso machine, cappuccino maker, milk frother, steamer, does all kinds of stuff. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Nice little stainless steel top on it, pretty lightweight. It's got a 3-foot cable on it. Comes with a set of instructions that show you how to use it. You get this funnel with it that has a little lid on it, because when you put the cup in and you want to empty it out, you can put this lid on, hold it, and dump it in the trash, which I think is a cool thing. You get this cup for your coffee, measuring cup, and a tamper. So you'll measure it up. You'll pour your coffee in like I've already done, tamp it down, place it into the cup, and you've got insert and lock. When it says insert, it's pointing towards the handle. You don't want this on, you want this down. You set it into the insert position and lock into place. It takes a little bit of effort, just so you know. You've got a 4-cup, up to 4-cup carafe in here. You're gonna fill that up with water, unscrew this on the top, and pour the water in for as much as you wanna make. Now this carafe only goes in here one way. It's got a little notched out area, so you can only slide it in this way. But once it's in there, you can turn it around however you want. So on the control side here, you can see the cup of coffee. That's for actually making the cappuccino. We've got pause, off. I'm gonna froth this milk for you and show you how it works. To get this up in here, and I'm gonna turn it into the steam position. And you can see it going to work. Now I've done it, I can move this into the coffee position. All right, once it's done brewing, you just put it into the off position, and it releases the steam, the pressure from here. Look at that, looks good. And these components are pretty easy to clean, removable. So there it is, the Ubano 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino maker.